And they're grilling about 2 pounds. Might be 1.5 pounds, overestimated it. Lovely grayling, lovely male grayling, jumping about. Come on mate, come on, let's get your photo took. Come on, these rocks are slippery. Come on, come on, get your head up. Yeah, I've got him. So then fishing buddies, I wanted to have a quick go. Got me trusted stick float. The whirlpool coming round. I'd expect there to be grayling, trout, chub, might be an odd dace, might be a perch, gudgeon, and we're definitely going to pick some minnows up as per usual. So what I'm going to do is get on my stick float and have a go. Just watching how it meanders round, trying to learn river. So first cast in a brand new spot, never fished it, don't know what to expect, don't even know how deep it is. So I'm starting off about 1.5 foot. Got a bite straight away. Got a fish on straight away. Oh, big hefty perch, I seen that. Just got to toss it down. Trial different areas. Like I said, I've never fished this bit, so I don't know what to expect. That was a little chub. Try it down this bit, so we'll trot it. Might have found another area for another video. Missed another one. That one's on. Little chub. Just catch and release today. Go on mate. In the last video you'll see that I went for a big perch and I just think I found them. That's a nice fish. Another chub. There you go mate. Go on, swim right way. Some kids further down chucking bricks in. You can see I'm fishing. Brilliant. I'll try this slack again here. Where's perch where? He felt hooky shot off straight away. Oh, that way a little chub. Definitely going to give this one a go again. Bring all equipment down and get a go. Another chub. It's a bit hard, I'm stood in the middle of the river and I've got waders on, but trying to keep an eye on my camera. If you notice, last video my camera went in, my other camera. So I've managed to prop it up with bricks on its stand. I can't see how deep it is, I'd say about 2.5 foot, 3 foot. There's another swim a bit further down when this bloke stops chucking his kid chucking stones in. That's a better fish. That is a better fish, don't know what it is. Might be a big trout. It's a good grayling. We'll have to go down and get it. Lovely grayling. Too busy watching what these kids are doing down there. And they're grayling about 2 pounds. Might be 1.5 pounds, overestimated it. Lovely grayling, lovely male grayling, jumping about. Come on mate, Come on, let's get your photo took. Come on. These rocks are slippy. Come on. Come on. Get your head up. I didn't then. I've got him. Yeah, I've got him. What a beautiful fish. Like I say, there's no way to put your rod out. I must come up with a better idea than this. But yeah, I'll look in a second and revive him and release him. Sit down, simmer down. Thinking that's a spat hook out he has in the net. Good. Even better. When he stops kicking. There you go. Get that. Mince it still. There you go. What a beautiful grayling. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going to put him back in. He's not playing ball. Let's leave my rig there a second. Like I say, you always rest these fish. There's plenty of oxygen coming through here. Since the oxygen's going over his gills, not the wrong way. Otherwise they'll go belly up. Put him in that nice little rock pool. I'll get plenty of oxygen. He's ready. Come on mate, we're going to release you. I know mate, I know. I'm doing it now. Come on then. Turn round, gone belly up again. Come on. Are you going to swim? It takes 5 minutes to revive them, takes 5 minutes. You ready mate? Go on then. He's gone. Happy fish. That's what it's all about. Oh, come on, grab me rod. Grab me rig. Yeah. Yeah, that first fish with a beautiful perch. Just keep my hand down there, make sure he's definitely gone. If not, I'll be in and wading and get him out. He's definitely gone. So you got to be prepared to get wet doing what I'm doing. Absolutely gorgeous fish that were. Double white maggot that we're on. Like I said, I'm trying to keep an eye on my camera, and I'm also keeping an eye on these kids messing about further down. And these rocks are not nice. And the trees. Yeah, these rocks aren't very good at all. Ever so slippery. This green slime on them. Just remember the line. Like I said, I've got this bit of pool. That's gone again, that was another good bite. Yeah, I've got this bit here. I've got a bit there. And then it trots off, really slow trot, past a fallen down tree. Might get a trout. But that camera angle's going to look. I've set it over there, I've got rocks on it. Still getting a few knocks. I think next time I'll come with smaller rod because that tree's a bit high up there. And once the river clears up a bit, I'm going to put underwater camera in and see these fish swimming about, taking baits. It's a bit coloured again, keep getting a bit of rain. See, that's pushing to the far side. That's where natural bait go. I expect decent fish to be sat over there. That we're on, we're a fish on that. Absolutely sucked maggots to death. And there's a bit of weed on hook, which is telling me I might be a little bit too deep. I have got a plummet, I ain't got it out. I've literally wanted to fish this peg for about 6 months. Never fished it. Keep someone across it. I thought I need my waders. You couldn't fish this without waders on. You won't be able to get down. Just presentation of your bait be totally wrong. Yeah, like I say, it's really hard work here because that looks like a trout. Yeah, it's a brownie. I can't believe he come off. Come on, mate. Come on. See, I don't really want to get in water. I don't want to be in water with fish down there. Love a little brownie. Show on camera. Love a little brownie. Brown trout. Step look at. So slippy these rocks, I'm scared to death of falling in. He's spat look at. Go on, mate. He's found his way. Good lad. See, I'm slipping.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic.
Another good fish.
All the last thing, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know the sadness, the anxious, the panic, the infinite vastness of all
Nice dace.
blackness.
Come on, mate. I'm gonna end up falling in. See me falling in. Hey, like I say, I was standing in water a bit, but because they're out under my feet, I don't want to do that. Hold it there, mate. Hold it there. Yeah, lovely days. Can you go, mate? Yeah, I'm on River DEARNE, and I fished this river quite a bit in the last year and a half, and I'm after a big perch. So, what's this? Big little chublet. Nice chub. He wanted that. Come here, mate. And I got nice job. Yeah, what happens is them perch, I've always fished slacks for them, and what they do, they sit near these little whirlpools, and because there's a lot of fry come down and perch just sit there and nail them. Someone's come off the edge, so they sat there waiting for the bait. Missed another bite. And I don't seem to catch as many when I'm trotting it through. Another good fish, but I think it's foul hooked. Grayling, it's foul hooked. Come on, bro. Let's be having that. He's rolled over that line. Leg's gone flying out. Come on, then. He's spitting loads of maggots out. I got you, mate. We'll get you quick on up, quick release. Alright, pal. Alright, mate. Alright, mate. That's what I said, they give up all the fight. Proper give up all the fight. You're still fighting it. Net. You've got a piece of weed at it, right? If I hold it, oh, he's gone. I was going to hold him up for the camera, but he's gone. Nothing's going to plan today, is it? Pull this is quite a lot. There's quite a lot to fish to. A lot of features. As it goes round and slack eddy. That was a chub. There you go, mate. Try trotting it. Oh, that were a roach. Yeah, I don't believe it. So yeah, I think I found a nice new swim. Might come back down in the next few days and get a proper go. Whatever, that shot off that did. Little chub. You wanted that, mate, didn't you? Me and the shear to have a big perch out of the river. Some good fish in this swim, I tell you. Oh, I've lost another good fish. Yeah, definitely some good fish in this part. Must be a good holding bait for them. I don't think many fish it, if I'm honest, because you need waders and the big steep banks. Fishing buddies just got back. Brilliant days fishing, plenty of trout and stuff. Don't forget to check out all the Facebook groups we're in. I will leave a link in description below. I'll also leave a link in description below to PARKERBAITS. Family run business, like I keep saying, say it week in, week out. Art and passion, what goes into the baits, absolutely brilliant what they do. So please go and check them out. If you're in Barnsley area, don't forget to go into Fishing Republic and tell them you've seen it here and go in and see them. They'll sort you out, store cards, discounts, everything. So pop in there and go and see them also. I'm helping out at Garth at the moment, so make sure you go and check that pond out as well, Garth Pond at Doncaster. Absolutely brilliant lake. It's all getting done up at minute with carp lake and everything else. So go down and go and see Glenn. Very good bloke he is. Go down and see him, and it is fish a chuck. There's a match on the 8th of September. There's only a few spaces left if you want to go and fish it, but you're going to bag up. You need to take 2 keep nets because you're going to bag up. So from me, everybody from New Beginnings Fishing, don't forget to check out our Facebook group as well, sorry. So from me and everybody at New Beginnings Fishing, tight lines, don't forget you can upload your videos, you can upload your content, you can come into the group, talk about your stuff, upload your catches and everything else. So that's what we're here for, to help people out, obviously. And if you guys have got something we don't know about, please share it. So until next time, you can see I definitely ain't got a brew. Bro will be seeing too. If you definitely check out one of his videos. Till next time, from me and the gang, take care all. Tight lines.